All right. They are still at it. Still knocking it out. It's around 6 o'clock at night. They're still at it. Man. Boy, they have been working today. They are obviously good at what they do. Uh-huh. They're going to have a busy day tomorrow. I see he's eyeballing it. That's tight. So he's telling the other gentleman, go to the left or go to the right. Man, I don't know if I can do this kind of work. But I'm sure I can figure it out. I see they want this job to be perfect before they leave. All right, hey, I'm a mosey on, get on up out of here. 24 karat gold, signing out. God bless these gentlemen.